This thing is very small now. It will not do me anything. Should I call Emeka? Let him just call me for the weekend and just help my life, This kind of thing I've tried, nothing is working, and this is very small, it's very small,
He went out, He went out. Come, let's go now. Go inside now, go inside.
Stop today, do adult content. You still big small pikin. Nigerians don't get like Messi Kenneth too. Hey my people, how on a day is your girl Cindy? On today's episode, now Messi Kenneth, then actor we did talk about. So Messi Kenneth is an actor, a teenage actor who started acting back then when she was very small. Messi Kenneth in her recent videos on the adult content, adult films that should be limited in her age limit. People can they compare him to other kids. People can they compare him to Angel on Igwe. Say, you know they say this your age mate where they act normal and moderate movies. Your own is just to the act adult movies. You need to change. You are still a small girl. You need to be acting according to your age. Stop acting out every role that you see. You want to go beyond your age limit. Waiting they happen. What is wrong with you? Blah blah blah. Messi Kenneth come out talk say, don't be una go dey tell me wetin I dey do. Una no dey feed me. Make una leave me, make I dey do my acting. It's none of you guys' business. Omo no be small thing. Hey God, Nigerians zukwanu nike. No be una dey feed the child. If she talk say she no be pikin, make una leave am. No be una born am. No be una born am, make una leave am. Anything wey she like do, make she do. No be una talk wetin Emmanuel do the other day no good. Now una want to control this adult wey talk wey una feel say be small pikin. Messi Kenneth to me no be small pikin. She no be small pikin. And una no be una born am. I talk am again. So una no know her age. Una stop to dey chook mouth. If she do video abi movie, if una no like am, una go. If una like am, go and comment. Leave wetin she display. Now she dey interpret her role. No be say she dey do am. Na interpretation of characters we dey call her. Make una leave the child. Make una leave the girl. Period.